everyone, I am back. So, for those of you before, okay, let me explain something real quick. Is that I make videos every week-ish. You know, it's not a real schedule for it. It's just like about a week. You should be expecting me making another video, really. It's not gonna be exact, really, because I'm not a professional. And for two, this is like YouTube itself isn't my career to begin with. So, not bad at it. Anyway, expect it to show. So today, I'm talking about my experience with MMI, or Motorcycle Mechanics Institute, here in Phoenix, Arizona, which is located onto Deer Valley. Now, my honestly opinion about it, well, let's first clarify something up. And you know how you've been hearing those people that says how MMI is too expensive, it doesn't teach you anything, blah blah blah, this and that. You get what I mean. Here's the thing. What everyone tells me, what my instructor tells me, and what has seen people before. Those are the people that says MMI is not worth it, or UTI, whatever, we'll talk about MMI. MMI is not worth it. Those are the people who mostly just flunked out, really. You know, because most of my people that I know of back in MMI, they decided to flunk out because it's too hard for them, or just something they didn't want to do anymore. For the most time, yeah. But I'll tell you something, the amount of experience and knowledge you'll have from going to MMI is significant. It's like, it's crazy. And honestly, MMI is like one of those places where like so much knowledge about different manufacturer brands and everything are just right there. Not only to the instructors, but some other people too. They're great people, you know. Another thing is that job opportunities. Now, there's some people that says, yeah, I went to that school, costed me $21,000, and now I'm just changing the oil. Well, okay, no cliff. Now, there's different opportunities depending what job you're planning to get, and all. You know, sometimes the opportunities of other people might be better than the others. It's as simple as that. It's just taking opportunities, really. You know? I got a job right after I graduate. Actually, was it right before? I don't remember. But about so then, when I graduated or something, I got a job already, you know? I got hired. You know, I'm working already now in the automotive field. It's amazing. I love it. I love my job. Mostly because I get to ride all these side-by-sides and Polaris slingshots and all that. Ooh, it's so cool. And I get to work on motorcycles too. But the point is that depending on the opportunity you get, you know, it really depends, really. Oh yeah, I forgot my idler screw isn't fixed yet. The tow runs perfectly fine, it's just idle so low because literally the whole idler screw just came right off. So I need to get that fixed. And all my tools is at my work, so yeah, I need to buy a new tool. And no, I cannot work with like at my work, sadly, no. If I could, I would definitely would, but I don't have time for that. Anyways, what else was I going to say about MMI? Yeah, MMI is expensive to begin with, $21,000, at least it was for me. But in the end, it's going to be a lot worth it. Because it's not simply of you getting a really good job, but in the end, it's just because of all the knowledge you get, really. I know you're gonna get like a stack of paper like this much, but, well, no, okay, not the first day, but eventually it'll go up. But trust me, All that piece of paper, I was just you to keep, honestly. And that is worth thousands of dollars of knowledge. Knowledge. Sorry, I remember. Oh, mean. Oh, that mean. Anyways. But overall, my experience with MMI is amazing, really. What's up? You know, my experience with MMI is amazing. I don't regret anything about it. Now, I did try joining the military, but there's no way that's going to happen. Sadly. God, fat people are slow. Whee! Why are you braking for? Absolutely for no reason. You should be in the right lane, stay. Anyways, but overall, if you want to go MMI, UTI, MMI for Marines, motorcycles, cars, diesel, even as well. I know they have some welded some other things too, but I'm not sure. I don't have a clue into that. Oh, something happened over there. Crash probably. I do not know. Anyway. But if you ever do get the opportunity or just want to learn of just going there, I highly suggest so. Remember, it's a college, really. You know, if you just don't end up liking it, you know, that's perfectly fine. You know, this type of field isn't meant for everyone. That's a good way to get yourself right over, dude. But if you really want to go to MMI, UTI, whatever, go for it. I know it's expensive, but in the end, it's going to be worth it. Okay, turn signals would be nice, dude. I was wondering, like, why did this person give you so much room? And this turns right there. It's like, turn signals would be nice to begin with. People over here, I tell ya.